Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I am so close to 50,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. Today we're doing 3 budget-friendly DIYs. So first you're going to need one of the little mason jar wooden signs that stands up from Dollar Tree. You will need a scarf, some twine, your scissors, and your hot glue gun and glue sticks. First you'll want to trace your little mason jar and then cut out the scarf to fit and hot glue it on. Next we're going to dress up the mason jar just a little bit. So you'll need some twine, some ribbon for a bow, some pine cones from Dollar Tree, and then I also picked up this little miniature Christmas tree ornament from Walmart. Next we're going to tie a simple single bow, and so I just made a little bow, and then I took some string and I just tied a knot, just made sure and get the string tied around the middle of the bow and made a knot. I think this pretty red and white ribbon came from Dollar General. So I just made a single bow, just kept it really simple. After you have your bow tied, then just go back and trim the little strings shorter. Next I started with, let me start again. I added the twine back to the top of the mason jar first, and then I hot glued on the little mini Christmas tree ornament that says peace that I picked up at Walmart. Then on top of it, I hot glued on the little bow. And then I went back and I grabbed a couple little miniature pine cones and hot glued them onto the mason jar also. So I thought that turned out really cute and very simple to do. For my second DIY, you're going to need one of the snow globes from Dollar Tree, some ribbon for a bow. I picked up these 2 miniature little Christmas trees at Hobby Lobby, and I also picked up the 2 little snowmen at Hobby Lobby. I picked up that jar of sequins from Target, and then the fake snow came from Dollar Tree. First you're going to remove the lid and the little cap out of the bottom of the snow globe, and the little suction cap, I can't think what it's called, that keeps the water from leaking out. That's what I use to hot glue the Christmas tree on and the little snowman. So be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun and glue sticks. And then I just let it all dry. And then I added some of the snowflake sequins from Target to the snow globe lid. And then I also added some fake snow from Dollar Tree. Just be very careful, the snow wants to go everywhere. So I just added a little. I did not add water to mine. Next, I'm placing the seal back in that has my tree and snowman on it, pushing it down real tight. And then I'm going to twist on my lid and then flip it back over. And I think it turned out really cute. So give it a little shake, and that's how it looks. But I decided I need to do something to the lid. So I just took some twine and I just hot glued it on to the bottom. I just kept wrapping it around the lid until I got it as thick as I wanted, until you couldn't see the lid any longer. And that's it. I think this one is my favorite of the 3 DIYs, but I don't know, I really like the bell too. So you'll have to let me know which one's your favorite in the comment section below. Now I think all 3 of these would be really sweet gifts, especially Christmas gifts for teachers, because there's something that your kids could help you make too. So for my third one, I picked up these metal bells at Walmart, and it comes a 3-pack for around $8.98 at Walmart. And so I just took one of the bells and I picked up 2 picks at Dollar Tree, and I just took the picks and clipped off a piece of the berry pick and a piece of the pine cone pick into smaller pieces, took a piece of string, tied the 2 together, and then I just hot glued it to the top of the bell. So just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun and glue sticks. You might want to put on some of your finger guards to protect your fingers. You will want to hold the greenery in place for a little while until the glue has time to dry. Then next I added a pretty little single bow. And then I ordered these words on Etsy. They're very inexpensive. And so I just peeled the back off and I chose the word believe. So I just placed it on the bell. And then you'll want to rub it in. Just make sure you smooth out the wrinkles. and press it firmly to the bell. And then next you're going to slowly pull the paper off. Now mine was not completely stuck on the V and the E, so you'll want to put your paper back down, rub on it again, and then slowly pull to make sure you do not pull up any of your letters. I did also at the top added 2 pine cones to the top of the bell, and that's it. Let me know which one is your favorite, and please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and share, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching.